Okay guys, I have never used a watercolor set before, but I was just kind of playing around. I only did two colors, purple and blue, and this is so calming and relaxing. This one is really cute. It's technically like a little travel set, so it comes with something where you can wipe the water extras off. It comes with this little palette. I only did 4 different colors, purple, blue, yellow, and red. But look at all the color options. There's actually 12 different colors that you can have. And a little goes such a long way. I put like a little dollop in each, and I'm realizing, since it's my first time, you literally only need like a teeny tiny drop of it. So hopefully it saves well. I just want to kind of show you. So I literally did this a minute ago. It's already starting to dry. Comes with this cute little book, which is really nice, and the pages are nice and thick. Like, look, it didn't even bleed through that page. It just got, because I was messy on the sides. But this is so fun. So it also comes with this little brush as well. So right now I have, let's think, purple. And then you can put water inside this brush, so it's everything that you need. And then it writes so smooth. I love it. And then you obviously can like make little designs, you can write, whatever your little heart desires. But this is such a cool little set. I actually think my niece is going to love this. I was planning on gifting it to her, but I wanted to test it out to make sure it was like easy enough to use, and it is. I'm so excited to test out different colors. Obviously right now I'm just like playing around with it and not like drawing anything pretty, but you could make some really cool backgrounds and designs with this stuff. So love it. The brand actually sent it to me to test out, and I'm having so much fun. It is so therapeutic and relaxing. I haven't done something like this since I was a kid, and this would be a great activity in the car. I'm just doing it at my kitchen table, but it is like a travel kit, so you could bring it with you because it's so small, and then get lost in it and create some pretty cool things. So yeah, very cool.